Gurukula teachings going on in the school now.
Dhammanusareణ karyam English avastha dasyatha ingo aham etasmin yoyam kramanusareణ karyam dasyatha
So as you just saw, we passed by a couple of classrooms where the 10-year-olds were studying Sanskrit language in a Gurukula format. But also there are books here, and they must be in Sanskrit literature, which is ranging back to thousands of years, and they are learning in Sanskrit language to keep the Vedas going and to keep the culture alive. You can see these classrooms, they are like, they sit on the floor on mats, and they have a teacher who teaches them. And there's another classroom here, and there's books.
Dhanayai Namaha, Om Kriyayai Namaha, Om Yogayai Namaha, Om Prathvayai Namaha, Om Bhaktayai Namaha, Om Ishanayai Namaha, Ishanayai Namaha, Om Mudrayai Namaha, Om Bhagavati.
So we just passed by a few classrooms and to get the feel of what Gurukula teaching is like. And basically this philosophy of teaching has been going on in India for thousands of years. And this is my first time at a Gurukula. And it's for me, it's like a revival of, it's like, it's always been there perhaps, but seeing this like for the first time, what a Gurukula teaching in a Gurukula setting may be like or looks like. So these are some empty classrooms we are passing by, and the layout and design of this building is quite an open plan. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this tape. Thank you very much for watching a Gurukula teaching in India about 20 minutes from Manipur. Thank you very much.